Chicken Malai kofta recipe. Onion 1 large size sliced. Green coriander sabstonia. Green chilies. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Blend it well. Salt 1 tablespoon. Red chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Turmeric ½ teaspoon. Coriander powder ½ teaspoon. Cumin powder 0. Black pepper ½ teaspoon. Add chicken 1 kilogram. Mayonnaise 3 tablespoons. 3 bread slices. Blend it well. It's ready. Cover it and keep in refrigerator for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, make balls kofta. Let's fry. %50 cook or fry. Flip the other side. It's 50% done. You can freeze at this point. Onion to medium size sliced. Cashew caillou 20. 3 green chilies. Fry for 1 minute. Now remove from oil and make paste. Ginger, garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Add mixed spices, long, darchini, curry leaves. Cook for 1 minute. Add onion, cashews, caillou paste. Cook it well. teaspoon. Coriander dhania powder. Cumin zira powder. White pepper. Add hung curd dahi. Add fresh cream 100 ml. Cook it well. Add fry kofta and cook for 5 minutes. Add water to cup. Steam cook for 10 minutes. Add black pepper kali mirch. Green coriander dhania. All half cup. Onion 1 large size. Capsicum 1 medium size. Fry for 1 minute. Add tarka on kofta. It's ready. Try must. Please like and subscribe.